In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print double-sided cards when printing with Canva. We'll walk through designing the front and back in one Canva file, downloading the right format for crisp results, and choosing the correct printer settings so both sides line up perfectly on cardstock. Start in Canva by creating a single design with 2 pages. Use page 1 for the front of your card and page 2 for the back. Decide on your orientation at the start, portrait or landscape, and keep both pages the same size. As you lay out your design, think about how the card will be flipped after printing. Use Canva's alignment tools and visual guides to center elements and keep consistent margins on both sides. If your front has a centered logo or a border, mirror that structure on the back so everything lines up when flipped. Leave a little breathing room near the edges so nothing important gets trimmed, and consider slightly thicker borders if you're using them, since that hides tiny shifts during printing. When your design looks good, download it from Canva the right way. Click Share in the top right, choose Download, and select PDF Print as your file type. This preserves high quality and sharp text for professional-looking edges. Make sure both page 1 and page 2 are selected so you get a 2-page PDF. Save the file with a clear name so you can find it quickly. Now open that PDF on your computer and head to File, then Print. In your printer settings, look for the option to print on both sides or double-sided printing, and turn it on. Next, choose the correct flip setting so the back isn't upside down. For most standard cards, flip on long edge is the right choice, especially for portrait designs. If your design is landscape or your preview looks off, try flip on short edge. A quick test print on regular paper can confirm you've picked the right option before you use cardstock. While you're in the dialog box, verify the paper size matches your design and that scaling is set appropriately so the layout doesn't shift. Load your cardstock into the tray following your printer's indicated orientation, then click Print. Once the pages come out, hold them up to the light to check alignment between the front and back. If anything looks inverted, switch the flip setting and reprint. With the right orientation, consistent margins, and PDF print quality, your double-sided cards will look clean, aligned, and ready to share. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!